Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. So today's video would also be a part of my festive series that I am currently doing on my channel. If you're unaware of what I'm talking about, so I am basically doing a festive series on my channel where I'm sharing some festive related looks, affordable outfit options, some accessories options and everything, and even some affordable makeup options that you can do on a budget during the festive season. So today's video would be a part of that festive series. Whenever we think about festivals and marriages, wedding functions and everything, we usually think about beautiful outfits or beautiful accessories and jewelry to go with it. But good makeup is equally important, and because this is a beauty channel, I cannot focus enough on getting a beautiful glow or a beautiful festive makeup look. Now you can go with a very simple or a very bright and loud makeup, but every sort of makeup is incomplete without a good highlighter. And plus, if you are doing a festive sort of a look, then a highlighted face is really important. It just adds on that factor in your makeup and your outfit, and it just gets your overall look to another level. So in today's video, I would actually be showing you 7 highlighters that I would personally recommend you to use during this festive season. Now, some of you might not be a fan of very highlighted or a very on your face bright highlighter, but the highlighters that I would be sharing with you will have options for everyone. Now, out of the 7 highlighters, 4 of the highlighters are powder highlighters, 2 are liquid, and 1 has a sort of jelly consistency. So without further ado, let's get into the video. For each of the highlighter that I would be sharing, I would just insert the MRP of the highlighter in the description box as well as in the video while I'm talking about it. So let's start with the first highlighter. The first highlighter is something that is on an affordable range. It is not exactly very cheap or nor it is very pricey. It is on the medium price range. So the first highlighter I have is this beautiful packaged highlighter from Kay Beauty. So now Kay Beauty launched their highlighters in I guess 6 shades, and I have already reviewed 2 of the shades on my channel. If you still haven't watched that video, I would be linking that video in the description box down below. So out of the 2 shades that I showed in that video, the first one I have with me is the shade Champagne Fizz. Now Champagne Fizz is one of the shades that is not very bold or not very bright, but it is a subtle sort of a highlight and it is good for everyday use. And if you like a very bright highlighter or if you want to add a little bit more for this festive season, you can always add on more layer of this highlighter. So this is how the highlighter looks like. I just accidentally had my nail in the highlighter and that is why the pan looks like this. But this is how the highlighter looks like. And let me swatch this particular one for you. This is how the swatch looks. Now, as the name of the shade says, Champagne Fizz, it is a champagne-y sort of a highlighter, and this is how it looks. I hope you can see the highlight. This is just one layer of highlighter and you can blend it even more to get a subtle look, or you can add more layers of this highlighter to get a bold and bright look. I'll just try and add a little bit on my nose. I already have a very bright highlighter on my cheekbones today, and I would also be including this particular one in my video. So yeah, this is the first one, Champagne Fizz from Kay Beauty. Now the next powder highlighter that I would like to include in this video is this Beauty from Makeup Revolution. See, this is blending so well with my background. The background is glittery and even this is very sparkly and glittery. So this one is from Makeup Revolution and it is one of their diamond highlighters. This particular shade is called Ice Diamond. I have also reviewed this particular one along with 2 other shades from the same collection. But for this particular video or for the festive season, this is the one that I would highly recommend. It is really pigmented and this is something that you would love if you are a bold highlighter person. This is the highlighter that I currently have on my face right now. Can you see the brightness on my face? Now this is just one single coat with a very light hand of this highlighter. You can have even more layers of this highlighter and make it even more glowy. But I would just recommend, or I personally like just using one single coat. This particular one is really pigmented. If you're interested in a full review of that particular highlighter and would also like to watch this particular one and the other 2 shades from the collection work, then I would also link that video in the description box down below. So if you're interested, you can just go through the description box and watch the video. So the next powder highlighter I have, most of you may already know about it because the brand is really famous and even this particular shade of highlighter is really famous. The highlighter I'm talking about is from MAC and it is their mineralized skin finish in the shade Soft and Gentle. This is how the highlighter looks like. So basically it comes in a regular MAC powder packaging sort of a thing, but because it's really bright and really like shiny, it is a perfect highlighter. I'll just swatch it for you. See. Again, it is a very subtle highlighter. It does not have any sparkle particles or anything in it, but it looks so pretty on the skin. Now, this is a sort of product that I usually do not just use on my cheekbones. I use it all over my face. There are some days where I like to just glow like a disco ball, and in those situations this particular powder is what I use. I just take my powder brush, dip it in this particular product and just swipe it all over my face, and my face literally glows all over. So this is something I would highly recommend if you want like an all over glow, not just something on your cheekbones. Now the last powder highlighter I would like to share is this particular one from the Balm. Now the Balm Cosmetics is relatively new in India and I'm not sure whether it's available on Sephora or not, but it is certainly available on Nykaa. You can buy it on their online stores or even their like Lux stores. This is how the powder looks like. Sorry, I'm not able to hold this powder very nicely because my pan is a little broken and I do not want to waste the product, not even a single little drop of the product. So yeah, I'll just swatch this for you. See how pigmented this is. This is how Mary Luminizer looks like. Now those of you who are not a very big highlighter fan or who do not own a lot of highlighters might say that these like all of these highlighters look really similar to each other, and the Soft and Gentle one looks like the Balm, and I would agree that they might look same on the camera, but in person they're not actually same. But if you're somebody who loves to have highlighters, these two highlighters are one of the most loved and the best selling highlighters in their particular sections. This is something I've been hearing about since like I don't know how many years, like 4 or 5 years or maybe more than that. And even the Soft and Gentle one, even when it was not launched in India, MAC was launched in India way back, but this particular highlighter came maybe around like a few years back. But even before that, even before I started doing my makeup, I knew that Soft and Gentle existed. That is how famous that particular highlighter is. I am not saying that you need both of these highlighter. You can just go in the stores and swatch for yourself which particular one would you like to have, or if you can relate to me or you have a skin tone similar to me, then you can see how these highlighters look on me, how these highlighters look on the hand swatches that I'm giving you. Now because both of these highlighters are on a higher price point, I would personally recommend you to go in the store and just try it yourself so that you get the best one that suits your skin tone and your personal requirements. But both of these are brilliant highlighters. They might be costly, but these are completely worth the price. Now the next category of highlighter that I would be sharing is a gel highlighter, and it is from the brand Sugar Cosmetics. This is how the packaging of these highlighters look like, and these highlighters also come in a few shade options. This particular one that I would be talking about in this video is shade number 02. It is like a bronzy sort of a highlighter. Now this is a different consistency. It is called a jelly highlighter, and this is how it is like packaged. It has a little lid inside the black lid to protect the highlighter, and when you remove it, this is how the consistency of the product looks like. Now I would just swatch the product from here. All you need is a very little product and just tap it on the area you require and just blend it. Again, you might say that it looks very similar to the other ones, but this particular one is sort of a bronze looking highlighter. So now if you're going in a wedding function and you have a golden or a bronze eye makeup look, then this is something that I would highly recommend. This would look beautiful in the pictures and would complement your eye makeup perfectly. Now even this highlighter is not very pricey. Sugar Cosmetics is an Indian brand and it is not very pricey. It has some amazing quality products and this is a relatively new launch from the brand. I would just insert everything about the products that I'm showing in this video in the description box. So if you're interested in this particular product or maybe something on a similar range, maybe a different color option from the similar line, then you can just check out as per your requirements. Now coming to the liquid highlighters I have, these are the two products that I would like to share with you. The first one is from the brand Swiss Beauty. Now again, if you know anything about cosmetics or if you're a makeup lover, then you must already know about the brand Swiss Beauty. Swiss Beauty is like a very affordable brand with amazing quality products. I have tried a lot of their products and have even reviewed a few of them on my channel, but I had actually never tried their liquid highlighters before doing this video. But I was really interested in using a liquid highlighter because I never had a liquid highlighter earlier, and that's why I ordered this particular color from Swiss Beauty. The shade I have is shade number 05 and it is called Coppery. Let me just show you how does this work. Now this comes with a dropper. For this particular price range, the product quantity is really good. I won't say that the bottle seems very travel friendly because this is a glass bottle and it is very accident prone. If accidentally I just drop the bottle, it would just shatter into pieces and I would just waste all of my product. The same actually applies for the other powder highlighters also, but the packaging won't actually break and I can revive the powder inside it. So those are still travel friendly, but this particular one I would not recommend traveling with. Now coming to the swatch of this particular one, let me just have a drop of it on my hand, and this is how much you actually need. Okay, so this is the shade Coppery and it does look a little similar to the Sugar one that I showed you. Sugar Cosmetics one is something that even I can wear on my skin tone as a highlighter. This particular one is a little on the darker side and this is a really good color for deeper skin tone ladies. This color is a little too dark for me, so I personally cannot use this color, but I am in love with the formula and the way this blends on my skin. I have tried this on my face earlier, but this is certainly not a color for me until I have fake tanned myself and I am maybe 2 shades deeper than my current skin tone. So yeah, this is how this highlighter looks like. Now on to the final highlighter that I would share in this video. The 11th highlighter is from the brand NYX and it is their Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. Now I am a fan of this brand and I might be a little biased about this. Firstly, because this is a brand I love. Secondly, it is a pink highlighter. You can say it is an illuminator. Now this is a product that can be used to highlight your face after you do your makeup, or like on your cheekbone, but I particularly like to use this product as an illuminating base. Now as I said earlier, I sometimes like to be a glow ball whenever I'm going in a wedding function or maybe a big party where I want to have a beautiful glow all over my face. I just do not rely on simply on my powder highlighters. I just go with this particular one as my base makeup so that I can get a glow all over my face without looking overdone, because ultimately this thing would be covered by a foundation and all you will get a little luminosity from within the foundation. I'll just swatch this particular one for you. Also, this is really travel friendly because this is like a tiny squeezy bottle and it would not break even if it falls. So like this is how it looks like without blending, and when you blend it, this is how it looks after blending. It is very creamy and soft and it works beautifully as a makeup base. I would not exactly recommend using only this if you have an oily skin, because this have a really creamy and oily consistency. But for dry skin ladies or in winter season, this is something perfect. If you would like to know how I use this particular highlighter before doing my makeup or with my makeup, I would be doing a glow festive makeup look on my channel. So do not forget to subscribe to my channel and ring the notification bell down below so that you get notified whenever I upload this particular video. If you like today's video, then do give it a thumbs up, and also let me know in the comment section down below that which of these highlighters is your favorite one, or if you have some other favorite highlighter that you would like me to try. Thank you so much for watching my video. Namaste.